guys, just picked up the van from the Queensland team and we're heading down the coast, looking forward to seeing all our New South Wales clients, and we've just dropped in here at Tweed at the Jack Evans Boat Harbour, having a look at all the new gear that was installed probably about a year ago. See our silhouette shelters here, along with the full city style range. Day one of the GX Roadshow in New South Wales done. Some really good conversations. Been good to catch up with our council clients down here on the northern coast of New South Wales. Some very good conversations. Probably the key takeaway that's sort of resonating with all councils I spoke to today is just around asset longevity. Being able to have assets that they can firstly know are going to last, and secondly are going to be easy to maintain. So looking forward to day two, another big day tomorrow as we head towards Sydney.